Audience ready? Ready? On the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have contestant number 116 leading here, right in the center, who's almost finished 2 pieces of chicken here. Very nice speed. The bones have been put into the other plates here. Then the plate you can put it here.
मुझे
Contestant number 116 here, he's leading, who's almost finished 3 pieces here. And the time is 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Great speed. But I need you to finish the water as well once you eat the chicken. Given a chance, he will wash the plate also and go. We have contestant number 116 washing the chicken and eating it, and it is very yummy, I'm sure. But he is leading here. So we eat the masala or the sugar cane and drink the water completely. From the glass. It's okay. 116, you can open your mouth and say, see, I give it, and the time is 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Has done a good job. The slowest was